Good day, this is Gerda, Clinical Director at AA Physio. Today's video is going to help you with some relaxation positions if you feel short of breath or breathing anxiously. The first exercise, you just need a chair. Sit nice and comfortable on your chair. Make sure your neck and shoulders are relaxed. Feet are nicely solidly planted on the floor. Put your elbows onto the top of your thighs and cup your chin in your hands, relaxing the neck and shoulders as you breathe in and out, focusing on slowing down that inhale and focusing on really getting a good exhale going, breathing in and breathing out. Pursed lip breathing. This method can be used in any position, whether you're standing or sitting. This is a simple way to control shortness of breath. It helps quickly slow down the pace of breathing, which makes each breath deeper and more effective. It also helps to release the air that's trapped in your lungs. It can be used anytime you experience shortness of breath, especially during difficult part of activities such as bending, lifting objects, climbing stairs, hanging up the washing. To perform pursed lip breathing, relax your neck and shoulders. Slowly breathe in through your nose, keeping your mouth closed, and then purse your lips like you're blowing a whistle as you slowly breathe out through the mouth. So in through the nose with a closed mouth and out through the whistle lips as you exhale out. In through the nose, close lips, and purse those lips as you force the breath out. Standing with supported back. Find a wall, facing away from the wall. Make sure your pelvis is nicely supported on the wall. The feet are hip distance apart or slightly wider. Soften your knees and place your hands on the middle of your thighs, relaxing your upper body forward. Make sure the shoulders and the neck are nice relaxed as you breathe in and out. Breathing in and out, and in and out. Standing with supported arms. Using a table, a kitchen counter, or the back of a high chair. Place your hands onto the surface, the table in front of you. Relax your neck and shoulders as you lean forward, gently breathing in and breathing out. Focusing on slowing down the in-breath and breathing out. In and out. Sitting forward, supported by a table. Sit nice and comfortably supported on a chair. Feet are nice, hip distance apart and flat on the floor. Leaning forward, supporting your forearms on the table or a pillow on the table and relaxing the head down onto your hands. Relax the neck and shoulders as you breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and out and in and out. Sleeping in a relaxed position. Many people experience shortness of breath while they're sleeping. This can lead to waking up frequently, which can diminish the quality and the duration of your sleep. Try lying on your side with a pillow between your legs and your head elevated by pillows, keeping your back fairly straight. The second position, lie on your back with your head elevated and keep your knees bent and put a soft pillow or two underneath the knees to make sure the body is nice and relaxed. Both of these positions will help your body and airways to relax, making breathing easier.